Ladies and gentlemen, for our next bout of the evening, please welcome to the blue corner from Serbia, Željko Šobić.
Well, all the way from Serbia, Željko Šobić. I've heard a lot of good things about this fight, Julia. Apparently very, very aggressive, and the Serbians have really come through in kickboxing and Thai boxing over the last couple of years, really build up these Eastern Bloc countries.
I've never come across his name before.
95 kilos. He's only had a few fights, but I've heard he's a very, very powerful young man. Very relaxed as well, isn't he?
Željko Šobić.
Looks like he's taking it all in his stride.
And please welcome to the red corner from Slovenia, Jakše.
And the hometown boy, Jakše. Again, 95 kilos max. Exactly the same experience as well. He's had 3 fights. Another big guy as well, Julie.
Yeah, with this weight category, there's quite often knockouts. He's looking mean.
You're going to see the difference between the two. One comes out very aggressive, the other one very relaxed.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah, it can work either for or against you sometimes. Somebody come out cold.
Jakše.
Worn out.
Ladies and gentlemen, this Enfusion rules bout will be contested in the 95 kilogram division and will be fought over 3 2-minute rounds. Your referee in charge when the action gets underway is Mr. Sasho Heinzek. Introducing to you firstly, fighting out of the blue corner from Serbia, please give a warm welcome to Željko Šobić. And opposing him, fighting out of the red corner from right here in Slovenia, please make some noise for Jakše.
Well, Serbia versus Slovenia, and took a bit earlier, counted a little bit, even though he's 95 kilos. Serbia's counted a little bit of weight, isn't he?
Yeah, he's got a bit of extra there that he could possibly lose in the future.
But sometimes you get this though, don't you? Some fighters can be very, very fit, but look overweight.
Yeah.
I've seen it many times. Not myself, of course. Nor yourself, Julie.
But still, he just looks like he's on a day out or something. He doesn't look very revved up for a fight so far, but
you never know, do you? Because
you can't go by looks.
No, you can't. There's been many fights over the years, and some of the Thai fighters as well. You can never know, they're just very relaxed. But the focus here of Jakše is it's 2 completely different fighters.
Yeah. He's looking really relaxed there.
Again, this sort of weight as well, this sort of size, and both pretty inexperienced. You know, it could be a bit of a brawl.
All it takes is one of those big shots to connect, and the fight will be over.
In the corner there's Fusion reality winner there, Francie Grace. Incredible talent he is, Julie, isn't
yeah,
he?
he's amazing. Yeah, definitely a name to look out for the future.
Well, the round just about to get on the way to people just doing their little checks. The referee there doing the checks. Like you said, it does seem to be completely all there, isn't it, the Serbian, but you just never know.
We'll see. Not sure how much of a warm-up he's done in the back room.
Well, in the blue corner, Željko Šobić, and in the red corner from Slovenia, the hometown Urban Jakše. You can see a real fast
start. Not wasting any time at all. Straight in with the action.
Straight in like a train, wasn't he? Right through.
Nico still just looking quite relaxed.
Oh, big swinging shots here.
He's really looking for that big finish in the first round.
But I tell you what, if he holds on to me, he could try and tire him out maybe. That's the game plan. Hometown behind him, it's a lot of pressure. Very light on his feet here, Julie.
He is light for a 95-kilo guy. He's slowed down now, he's not quite pushing in quite so fast as before. He's throwing some big bombs, but...
Yeah, some real big shots in there.
You never know with this weight category.
Swinging some shots. A little bit of a messy affair to start, isn't it? But, you know, we talked about the inexperience. And Urban Jakše here.
I mean...
The swinging shots.
Šobić hasn't really been phased by any of his shots so far. He's just, at the moment, just standing his ground.
Yeah, starting to open up a little bit. Lovely combination there with the jab and low kick.
There we go, and that jab just pushed Urban's face back straight away. This could be a surprising fight.
It could be. Like I said, you never know. You can never just book by its cover. He's holding out well. He's keeping cool. He's throwing some good low kicks, but the Slovenian pace has slowed down a little bit.
I expect he was phased straight away, that he threw all those shots and it didn't phase him at all, so it's just slowed down a little bit. I'd like to see Šobić throwing a few more shots. I think he has got some potential there, but I'd like to be shown it.
Jakše there, just trying to sort of open up, trying to let his shots go. He's got to watch out for the big punches.
Nice left head kick, just on the bell.
Yeah, it's a little bit messy, isn't it, so far? A little bit of a brawl, a bar fight even, but still very entertaining.
Šobić in the blue colour, he's still looking so blimmin' relaxed. He needs to step his game up.
He's even smiling there. You can see in the replay there, the swinging shots from the Slovenian. Really trying to rush him, maybe got a little bit too close. Smothered his work, but really does try and command himself for those punches.
He does, he's definitely there to fight.
There's some nice exchanges. Like I said earlier, a little bit scrappy, but still so calm, isn't it?
Second round coming up, I'm sure they'll both settle down a little bit more. I don't think I've ever seen as many performances we got in the blue corner this evening.
Yeah, Šobić there in the blue corner. And he's off against Urban Jakše from Slovenia. 95 kilos, round two.
Round two.
Shy away from his punches though.
In Urban being the more aggressive in this opening round two.
Yeah, Slovenian just swinging away with his boxing skills. The hands are very loose. Šobić. Very peculiar style he's got.
Yeah.
He looks like too relaxed.
Yeah, I definitely want to see him throw some things. I've got a feeling Urban be open for some leg kicks, just by the way he's standing on his legs. His left leg looks a little bit wobbly when he's kind of standing on it. I think he'll be open for leg kicks.
Šobić here, just flat-footed, keeping his hands up.
He's not initiating the first move, is he?
Trying to counter everything, not doing enough.
There we go. When he does open up, he looks good.
He attacks, he's trying some good manoeuvres there.
Nice head kick.
Ooh, open up it. He does show signs of some
potential, yes.
Good signs of skills there. And these big guys are really going to get in there, aren't they?
Both guys get up head kicks quite fast. Got the speed in their legs.
Nice low kick.
Yeah, just cut across both legs.
Yeah, when those low kicks land, especially up this side as well, really just slow down an opponent.
Totally.
Yeah, I mean, it's not been the most skillful fights, but he does show moments.
Yeah, I mean,
lovely low kick.
That's what I really want to see him use more of. Giving himself a little clap there. I like this fighter.
Yeah, very respectful there. Just smiling in the corner. He's really enjoying it there, isn't he? You look in the opposite corner, you know, head down, trying to focus a little bit. We go back into the action here, Julie. You can see the combinations. Some lovely, lovely shots fired.
When he opens up, there's that nice leg kick, chopping across both of the thighs.
That's right, you mentioned it earlier, didn't you, about the low kicks? Maybe throw some more this round. Really is enjoying it, isn't
I
it?
know, and that's what the sport is about. We've got to enjoy it when you're in there as well. I know it's strange for people to understand, but
yeah, I mean, you get fighters of all different types. Then some people really aggressive and
Corner 10 seconds.
Find their focus and just relax and enjoy themselves. So round 3 now. Again, very close fight between two different styles in the blue corner.
Lexi Šobić really step it up now. I'm sure Urban's going to start off aggressive as he has in the other rounds.
Round 3 now. It moves around.
There we go, there's that aggression. Oh! He's really taking some shots there.
He didn't like punches at all, then he turned his head away, which you should never do.
If he had a left head kick then, he could have been in trouble.
He's come out really aggressive, the crowd behind him as well.
There we go. When he throws his returns, he's looking nice. Not quite as sharp or aggressive as... Yeah. He needs to finish off with a left head kick. Every time.
Well, Urban here, he's not the heaviest puncher in the world, but if he had a little bit more power behind his hands, a little bit more accuracy, I think it would be a good night.
Like you say, these are guys with not much experience. I'm sure they're going to learn to use their weight to put it behind their punches and kicks.
And it's what rookies is about, isn't it? It's purely learning.
It's all a learning curve.
So they're marking now under the eyes.
There we go, he's got him in the corner.
And a little bit of wrestling going on here on rookies.
Sportsmanlike, just tapping the hands, gloves there. He's getting tired now, his legs are coming in way too slow, easy to catch.
Yeah, he's getting very tired, especially at that size as well, when he gets swept a couple of times, lifting himself up.
Oh, he's so open for a left head kick, he keeps turning his head to the right every time he gets hit.
You know, defensively, it's not the best, but when he attacks, he does show some... Oh, that's a left head kick, talks about Julie. That time he had his hand up.
He did, he was very lucky. But yeah, that time is coming in. So I think if he really, really works on his fitness, he's going to compete a little bit better in the future.
To say the least, we put it as an entertaining fight.
It was an entertaining fight. I expected a knockout, we didn't have one, but it was still entertaining.
Yeah, you know, the local boy here is really, he loves it. A lot of respect there for his trainers. Excellent work. Šobić just enjoying this moment, isn't he?
Yeah.
Showing his respects for everyone. I'm going to replay here, though. No, there was the aggressive punches coming out. Like you said, he turned away a bit too much.
Yeah, just turning the head to the right. That's where he's getting tired, getting caught.
Yeah, he threw some good punches, but there was never anything clean. But nonetheless, you know, like we said, an entertaining fight.
Just coming up to the judges' decision.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of action, your judges have reached a unanimous decision. Your winner, fighting out of the blue corner, red corner, from Slovenia, Jakše!
Aggressive fighter.
I think Peter was just trying to tease the crowd a little bit. You know, a rightful winner as well, especially in that 3rd round. And Jakše there. Happy, very happy man and happy winner. No, 2 95-kilo guys are real going at it, weren't they? But
yeah.
Some good skills being shown. And a real battle between two very good kickboxing countries. And that's the end of rookies here in Slovenia. I've been with Julie Kitchen. Julie, what a great show has been so far.
It's been a pleasure to sit next to you.
Oh, thank you very much.
I would now like to welcome to the ring Mirko of Tourist Agency Intellecta.